Cinco de Go presents Cargo Craze, a Freight Frenzy inspired game. In this video, we will be showing you the robots. First, we will be showing you the Mindstorm's Ev3 robot. It has a tank tread drivetrain that uses two motors that are controlled by the Ev3 brick through this infrared sensor. Now let's see how it performs on the all-terrain test track. Now we will show you the intake. It is powered by one motor, and the gears are arranged so that the tank treads rotate in opposite directions. This allows it to pick up cubes. Here is a demonstration. After the cubes are collected, they fall into the outtake basket. Here is a demonstration. This is the Power Functions robot. It has a fingered intake and a depositing arm. It has a drivetrain that is powered by two large motors. The fingered intake is made out of zip ties and rubber bands. The depositing arm is powered by one large motor and uses 5 gears. And those are the robots. In the next few videos we will show you some matches. Thanks for watching.